Hello there. At Smart Code Builders, we are committed to optimizing your workflow. That's why today we're introducing Investment Return Analyzer, our Excel template designed to evaluate the profitability of projects through cash flow analysis. The tool is organized into a main sheet and as many specific sheets as there are projects analyzed. In main sheet consists of two sections, header and table. In the header, you will find 3 cells, where you can fill in the most important information about the project to be analyzed. Project name, periods to analyze, and discount rate. Similarly, in the table section, you will find 4 columns, period number, expenses, revenues, and total profits per period. In case of specific sheets, for analyzed projects, these are composed of 3 sections: project summary with relevant information, graphs, and final summary. We'll explain how our template works and provide relevant information through an example. First, you should fulfill your project name, discount rate, and periods to analyze. Once you fill all relevant information for your project, press Generate Report button. Create a new worksheet with the information we previously mentioned. In the project summary, you will find details such as all the information contained in the header section of the main sheet, as well as the net present value, NPV, and many others. In the graph section, you will find a line chart and a pie chart, offering a clearer summary of the cash flow and total project profits. Finally, in the final summary section, you will find a table with the cumulative cash flow for each period, along with total revenues, total costs, and net profit. We hope you enjoyed this video. Visit our website for more information and many others tools.